Hello, good day, guys. So I hope you're good. Thank you once again for tuning in to watch my video. I really appreciate. Happy New Month. Happy New Month. I hope you're doing great. So once again, I'm back to creating content again. Just like I told you guys, the reason why I stopped trading was because I needed to get the mentorship, and thanks be to God, I was able to get the mentorship. And that is Psychedelia. Sorry for the background noise. That is Psychedelia by Techriztm. Wait, let me pause this. And like I was saying, the noise. So I had to get a mentorship, Psychedelia by Techriztm. So anybody that knows Techriztm knows that he's a really great trader. I really admire people that read charts like a textbook. If you watch his video, go through his YouTube, his Instagram, see his posts about his trades and all that, you know that this person actually knows what he's doing. So I decided that I will do everything legally possible to be part of his 2026 mentorship, and thanks be to God, I was able to do it. The way I had to raise this money, but it was legal. I didn't do anything bad to raise the money. I have my proof. So I'm not in the mentorship now, but we have not started yet. We'll start by 15th of December. Today I'm making this video is 7th, which means it's next week. I think around this time next week we'll start mentorship. So I'm really excited. I will not lie, I'm really excited because I'm tired of being average. I really want to make trading work for me very well. That was why I had to get a mentor. So I'm really excited. But just as other mentorship I've gotten, I'm aware of this stage also whereby I get a mentor, whereby I pay for a course or I see a new strategy. I'm saying it based on my past experiences, whereby when I get a strategy or a course, I become excited, and that allow that excitement. Like the excitement becomes a distraction. So I don't know how to put it, but I'm aware of this stage I'm in now, being excited of being inside something new. But at this point in time, I want to regulate myself and then be more focused, because the results is in the work and not in the excitement. So that's it. And also I also want to share with you guys my experience with registering for this mentorship. So this registering for this mentorship taught me something. It taught me that if you know what you're doing, people would actually beg you to take their money to teach them. Like this mentorship, he said he was going to take just 500 persons. So, and the mentorship is supposed to, like, the payment for the mentorship would start around 1st December, which was, and like this Monday that just passed now, because today is 7th, Sunday. So Monday that just passed, midnight, 12 o'clock, the payment would open, and I had to stay up till 12 just to make this payment because I didn't want to miss it. I had to stay up till 12 to make my payment. I think I might put the screenshot here and the time when I made the payment. I did the transfer from my OPay to the mentorship, to the bot, because it was a bot we used for the payment. It was automated so that nobody will have issues with not being able to pay. So do you know that once it was 12, under 5 minutes, like 400 and something persons had already paid. Jesus. And do you know the painful part? That was when my phone started to misbehave. My phone just decided to misbehave. God, I was just shaking. Like, is this how I'm going to miss this mentorship? So I was just shaking like this, and I thank God I got my neighbor's phone because I knew that my phone had issues. So I just took my neighbor's phone just in case my phone decided to misbehave, which it did. But thank God I was prepared. This is also an important lesson, being prepared. Thank God I was prepared for the worst. I got his phone, and since my phone was misbehaving, I switched over to his own phone, and I was able to make the payment. But do you see how it is 200,000? Because the mentorship cost 200,000. Under 5 minutes, 400 and something persons are paid. By the time we got to this, I think 10th minute, like 500 people had already paid. In under 10 minutes, calculate 200,000 times 500 persons. That's I think 100 million naira. Oh boy. But I think the payment is ending today, Sha. Today I'm going to try and post this video today. So that's it now. And also the main reason, now this is the main reason why I'm making this video, and that is for documentation purpose and accountability purpose. So you know that I already have motivations to being successful, to making things work, even aside YouTube, and I have things I'm facing, struggles and everything. You want to live your dream life. So I'm just posting this here also, so that I'll be aware that there are people who are waiting to see that if this Techriztm mentee would actually make it work for himself. Because at the end, I'll be the one to put in the work. Whether I learn from the best of the best, if I don't work, if I don't put in the work, I'm not seeing any results. It's as simple as that. Techriztm will not be the one to analyze charts for me. He will not be the one to study my materials, to come to the live session, to ask questions whenever I'm confused, to be aware, to always be punctual to classes. He will not be the one to do those things for me. I will do it myself. So this video now is for accountability purpose and also documentation, to document my journey again to profitability, because I'm not giving up. I'm a very stubborn person though. This trade will work. I will give it time, because before now, I don't know, I will just be sharing things about myself because it's a video recording for documentation, so I'll just be talking. So before now, I've done things to make money online. I did affiliate marketing, and you know, affiliate marketing comprises of different skills. I did Facebook advertising, I did content creation, video creation, I did graphic design, video editing. I edit my videos myself, even my thumbnails. I do them myself. I did sales funnel. I did sales copy. You know, sales copy is all those things you see on, let me say, those places you go to buy something online. Those white tops there are what you call a sales copy. Then the funnel, the stages you go through to buy a product online, is what you call a sales funnel. I did email automation. I did a lot of things. Even before this YouTube channel, I already had a YouTube where I was posting videos just because I was looking for a way to make money. But you know, the problem with me is the fact that I've always wanted quick results. As soon as I'm doing this thing, I want to be seeing my results. And that's one thing I got to observe that have kept me back, even after doing a lot of things. So now I want to switch now, because also you can do a lot of things with, like, you can do a lot of things but you're doing them wrongly, so you still not get results. So firstly, now I observed that I did a lot of things, but the mistake I made was I never focused on one thing for a long time, and also I didn't seek for proper knowledge. So now these are the two lessons I got from all those times where I was just jumping around skill sets, all those stuff. So now what I want to do in trading now is to get proper knowledge, which is why I registered for Psychedelia 26. That's Psychedelia 2026. and now I want to give it time. I don't know how long it will take, but I'm willing to give it my time and attention. So this is also an accountability purpose. So I'll use this video now to hold myself accountable, that I once said that I will give this thing time and attention regardless. Although my phone is having issues, I won't be able to, I can't stay in live classes, but I thank God he said he's going to record the classes so I can watch them later. My battery also. So there, all these things are like challenges, but no matter what, I'll make sure I stick to it, to what I've said, which is giving it my time and attention. All these things are part of my stories to becoming great. Nobody just become great. You go through processes. So these are part of my stories. At some point in life, I will be like, oh, when I started, the phone I was using wasn't good. So you used to hear all those stories that the phone I was using is not good. It was not good. I had battery issues. There was a time I wanted to register for mentorship, but my phone almost messed me up. So all those things, they are part of my story. So, and I thank God I'm able to like go through these things. I thank God also I'm able to go through these things. They are my story I will tell in the future, so that for people in the future that might feel down, maybe because of their current stage at the time, they will know that okay, this also person did, this person went through the same challenge that I'm going through, and now he's doing well. So which means I can also do it. So I'm not giving up. So like this video is already 11 minutes, at least latest 15 minutes. I think I'm already done talking though. So I'm back. I don't know when next I will upload a video, but when we start learning, I believe in this idea that I now have to document my journey. As we progress, I will have ideas of videos to be dropping, because just like Mark Zuckerberg said, he said that ideas do not come out fully formed. They become clearer as we progress with them. So as I progress with this documentation, more ideas on videos to post would come. So alright, see you guys when I see you guys. So please do not forget to like and subscribe if you want to be part of this, if you want to see this journey. Because if you're just tuning in now, if this is the first time you're seeing my video, you might not be able to see my video again if you do not subscribe. So please do not forget to like and subscribe also. So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Alright, peace. Also I wanted to say this: do not also forget to work on yourself. As you're watching my own progress, make sure you're also building yourself. Okay, make sure you're building yourself. You really watch this video, now you have to follow the talk. Make sure you build yourself. Okay, don't look at other people building themselves and while you're just sitting there, maybe hoping they fail, or maybe I don't know, but build yourself. Build yourself. Okay, you can do it. You can do it. I believe I can do it. You also believe you can do it. Work towards it. Let me know his man and cover my face. But now here they follow the talk. See you later. Peace.